Hello and welcome to Power 365 Power Series. Today I'm going to show you how to add a profile security column to a salary field on the user record. This is so we can disguise it with asterisks if we want people to not see it, but also we can show it to the teams that we do want to see it. Hope you enjoy. So first things first is we're going to navigate to our tables and choices solution. And then I'm going to go into my user because this is where I want to add a field. I'm going to add a salary field in here. So once this opens up, I'm going to go to columns, and in here I just want to put a currency field for salary. So if we click new column, I'll put salary, description of user. And the bigger picture for this one is at the end, we're going to break that down into a day rate. So this can then go on the app. That'll be in a further episode. So I can add currency, simple behavior, and then we want to set this to business recommended because not everyone's gonna want a salary on there. Minimum value we'll put it 0, maximum value we can leave it where we want to. I'm going to leave the currency position, and in here there's another one at the bottom called enable column security. So I'm going to check this box, and this is going to allow the security on the field when we add it to the form. So if I click save, it's now been added to the tables, so we can see the two fields, salary and salary base. So the base will be the value at 0, whereas the salary, you can change this within the system settings. So if we're going to convert it with other currencies, it will take the base and then times it by whatever we tell it to times it by in the background. But that's for another day. I'm now going to navigate to my forms. So I've already got a pre-made one here for users Power Series using the best practices. Don't forget, I'm going to open up the form and I'm just going to add this field to the form. So I'm going to go to my search, I'm going to look for salary, and we're going to use the salary one, not the base salary one. So I'm going to pop salary in here and just put it under main phone, and then I'm going to save and publish. Now we have added the salary field to the user form. We now need to edit the settings on the security column profile and create a team and associate it to that column. So first thing we need to do is navigate to the admin center. I'm now in the Power 365 Power Series environment, and I'm going to click settings, and inside settings there's a users and permissions. I'll open up this and you can see we have column security profiles, and we also have teams. So now I'm going to click on teams. When Teams finally loads up, I can come in here, I can click create a team. So I'll create a team, quick create pops open. Team name, I'm just going to call it salary team, just for demonstration purposes. I'm going to add it to the business unit. Administrator, I'll put as myself. Team type, I want it to be an owner. We'll go next. Do I want to add team members? Yes, I want to add myself. We'll click next. And in here we can then select a security role to associate to this team. This will then, anyone added to this team will inherit the roles that are based on this security role. So this one I'm just going to choose a basic user. You can go and make your own and amend as you need. So we'll click save, and now you can see I have a salary team. Now we're going to navigate back to settings, users and permissions, column security profiles, and now I'm going to create a new profile. So we can see the button new profile. I'm going to call this salary profile, being really inventive. And click save. And now when I open up this profile, you can automatically see any field that's in the system that's been selected for security profiles. So you can see P365 salary already exists. In here, at the moment, it's set to not allowed, not allowed, and not allowed. So anyone at the moment is not allowed to see it. So what I want to do is highlight it, click edit, and set these to allow for me only. So on create of a record, on update of a record, and read, I want to see everything. So I click save. Also, we can add the relevant teams and users to this security profile. So for the team, I'm going to click here, I'm going to add the team, I'm going to find the salary team. I'm going to add them as well. So anyone we now add to that team will get these permissions to see the salary. So myself, I'll be able to see it, anyone else won't. The final step to add, most people miss out, is adding the column security profile to your solution. So I'm going to navigate to the solutions, make sure that I'm in the right solutions. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to select my security roles. I'm going to add existing. And then here we go to security and I want to put column security profile. And in here you can see any profiles that you have made. I'm going to add the salary profile and this is now in the solution ready for deployment when it does go across to another environment. Just to finish off, I'm going to show you the user form. So if I open up the user form, you can now see that the salary is at the bottom of the user form where we placed it, and next to it we have a key. This indicates that security level profiles are on this field, and as the settings were set, I can see it, so you can see that I can see the currency that is inside the salary. Anyone else will not be able to see it.